bắt đầu được chưa ạ?
Alright.
Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Phương Thảo and I'm from class Discover 5A. Today I'm going to show you how bees communicate with humans and animals around. As we all have known, bees play an intimate role in human lives and also for other animals. To be able to provide us with honey daily for food and medicine, bees need solidarity and good cooperation. Thereby, each process of pollination or honey making can take place smoothly and perfectly. And the thing that takes the most important role in creating that solidarity is communication. Firstly, I will show you how bees communicate with animals of the same species. Bees communicate with each other for many reasons, especially for warning others from danger or sending messages to other bees about information during the pollination process. They deliver a warning by buzzing and headbutting their companions at the same time to tell others that danger is coming. There are also other kinds of bees, such as Asian bees, use a sliding scale of vibrational pulse to warn their companions. To send messages to each other, bees produce various odor cues called pheromones to communicate with another. When they feel threatened by enemies or when they want to defend their territory, bees will attack their predators by forming a bee ball around them and begin flapping their wings to create a deadly environment for their predators. And the most important purpose in communication between bees is to help others find and locate food. When one bee finds the flowers, pollen, food, or water, it will turn back to the hive and do a special dance called waggle dance to other bees. This dance is a map to tell others the location of the food. Then they fly together to the location of the food and bring the food to the hive. That's how bees communicate with animals of the same species. Secondly, I will tell you about how bees communicate with animals of different species. Bees often communicate to help other animals. They can find or provide food and help animals of different species have homes to stay and avoid natural disasters by finding materials for them to build houses. A lot of animals would die without bees, such as wasps, hornets, butterflies, bats, bears. Similar to animals of the same species, bees deliver a warning by buzzing and headbutting other animals to warn them from danger. To threaten their enemies, bees with barbed stingers can often sting other insects without harming themselves. Queen honeybees and bees of many other species have smoother stingers and smaller barbs, can sting mammals repeatedly. These are the ways bees use to communicate with animals of different species. Finally, I will tell you how bees communicate with humans. Although bees may have brains the size of poppy seeds, they are able to pick out individual features on humans' faces and recognize them during repeated interactions. Bees have two primary methods of talking to another: movement and odor. Bees use these behaviors to send messages throughout the colony, locate a nearby food source, and provide other information. Therefore, they can provide humans information during a contact to get their honey. In my presentation, I have shown you how bees communicate with animals of the same species, animals of different species, and how they communicate with humans. It can be seen that these unique and intelligent ways of communication make us even more appreciate the merits and qualities of this kind of animals. That's the end of my presentation. Do you have any questions?
Does anyone have any questions for Phương Thảo?
If no one have any questions, that's the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening and goodbye.
It was very good. Nicely done. Well done. So usually what I would do is I would ask some questions.